The flightless ostrich is the world's largest and heaviest bird. A common ostrich's usual weight from 60 to 150 kilograms, or as much as 1 to 2 adult humans. The weight prohibits the bird from taking the flight. Though they cannot fly, ostriches are strong runners. The color of adult males are mostly black, while the females and young males are grayish-brown. The common ostrich's diet consists of mainly plants, invertebrates, and small reptiles. Their lifespan is up to 40 to 45 years. The common ostrich is found around the world, particularly for its feathers, which are decorative. Its skin is used for leather products, and its meat is marketed commercially. The long neck and legs keeps their head up to 2.8 meters above the ground, and their eyes are said to be the largest of any land vertebrate, helping them to see the predators at a great distance. However, groups of ostriches will graze among giraffes, zebra, and antelopes, in which their presence is useful because they alert other animals when the danger is near.